Sound of a bustling Nigerian market, with vendors shouting and haggling. A montage of quick cuts of different Nigerian cities. Narrator, in a conversational tone, have you ever wondered if technology is as accessible in Nigeria as it is in the West? I mean, we've got the hustle, the creativity, but do we have the tools? Today, we're diving into a question that's been on everyone's mind. Is Gemini available in Nigeria? Hook. Cut to a shot of a person using a futuristic AI assistant on a smartphone. Narrator, Gemini, the AI that's been making waves globally. It's like having a personal assistant, a tutor, and a creative partner all in one. But is it available in our neck of the woods? Building context, what is Gemini? A brief animation or visual explanation of Gemini's capabilities. Narrator, Gemini is a large language model developed by Google. It can generate text, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way. It's like having a super smart friend who's always ready to help. Addressing the main question, is Gemini available in Nigeria? Cut to a shot of a computer screen showing a Google search result for Gemini in Nigeria. Narrator, now, let's get to the meat of the matter. Is Gemini actually available for Nigerians to use? Well, the short answer is, it's complicated. Explain the limitations and potential workarounds. Narrator, while Gemini itself might not be directly accessible in Nigeria due to certain technical or regional restrictions, there are a few ways to still experience its power. One option is to use VPN services. These can mask your IP address, making it appear like you're accessing the internet from a different location where Gemini is available. However, be cautious about the quality and reliability of these services. Discuss the potential risks and benefits of using VPNs. Narrator, another option is to explore AI-powered tools and platforms that leverage Gemini's technology. These platforms might offer similar functionalities, albeit with some variations. Keep an eye out for startups and tech companies in Nigeria that are developing innovative AI solutions. The future of AI in Nigeria. Cut to a montage of young Nigerians working on technology projects. Narrator, while the current landscape might have its challenges, the future of AI in Nigeria looks promising. With a growing number of tech hubs, talented developers, and a vibrant startup ecosystem, the potential for AI-driven innovation is immense. Conclusion. Return to the initial market scene. Narrator, so, is Gemini available in Nigeria? Not directly, but the possibilities are there. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect more accessible and powerful AI tools to emerge. The future of AI in Nigeria is bright, and it's up to us to harness its potential for the betterment of our society. Outro. A final shot of a person smiling while interacting with an AI assistant on their phone. Narrator, with that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring the exciting world of AI.